Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Ford F150 Bluetooth. Start by turning on your truck, enabling Bluetooth on your phone, and opening the Sync Phone Pairing menu. Put the vehicle in park and set the infotainment screen to add a device. Select your phone name when it appears, confirm the PIN if prompted, and allow contacts and messages access to complete the pairing. If it still fails, restart your phone and try again. To troubleshoot common Bluetooth issues, start by checking for software updates on both the truck and your phone. Make sure no other paired device is trying to connect and clear old pairings in sync. Move the phone closer and remove cases that block signals. If audio quality is poor, disable Wi-Fi calling and test with another phone to isolate the problem. Finally, consult the owner's manual for advanced reset options. Pairing multiple phones requires choosing a primary device for calls and a secondary for media in sync settings. To prioritize, select the device and set it as primary, then enable automatic reconnection. Use voice commands like phone and pair to start pairing hands-free while parked. Remember to accept permission prompts on your phone and grant contacts access to use caller ID and message alerts through the truck speakers. Enjoy seamless call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.